Hello, guys. I have told you countless times why you should not miss hot mining, but I guess you are still in doubt. Okay. Do you know that you can actually make money by just mining hot on Telegram? Yes, you can make money by just mining hot on Telegram. What or how do I mean? Okay. So one of the ways you can do that, aside going through the normal procedures that you have to go to, if you want to know about that, you can check my previous video. I made a full complete tutorial on what hot mine is all about and how you can understand it. So this particular video is on how you can make money by just mining hot. Right now, hot is not, you can't sell hot, you cannot transfer hot, but then how can you make money by not selling or transferring, or you cannot deposit or withdraw? How can you make money through that? Okay, let me put you through how you can do that. So for those people who have been conversant with hot, you can actually tell that hot did something called I'm going over to my apps, did something called a case boom. They did the part one, they did the this is the part two of it. For those who are in doubt, this is this is actually my portfolio. So I only converted one near here, a one USDT here. So the second one I got it from that case boom one. That's when I get it from. So I was unable to partake in this case boom two. So I got USDT from case boom one. That's one USDT. My friend got 5 USD. I know of someone who got 100 USD. So by just mining hot, so you can partake in all this giveaway inside hot mining. So this one that happened today, do you know how much I got? Let me show you first. So here is UWON coin. So you can currently claim your coin now for those who partook on it on the hot mining on Telegram. So 0.1 hot is equal to 1 UWON, and 1 UWON is equal to $1.50. So how much do you think one hot costs? So this is their Uniswap page. When I saw this yesterday, when UWON launched, I saw UWON at $1.89 before it came down, before it started recorrecting itself. As you can see right here, liquidity is 171,000, while fully diluted market cap is $15.2 million. Do you know that this particular coin being sold here we are gotten for free? Should I use the word almost for free by just mining hot? How did you partake in the pre-sale of this particular hot? We partook in the pre-sale inside the hot app mining on Telegram by bidding for this UWON coin according to our referrals. So I moved from or should I say I migrated from level 5 to level 6. So that's why I was unable to get the whole of it. So and I have just I used to have 9 referrals. I think it has turned to 10, 11. Wow, that's nice. So but let's go back to this money making. So this is the app. So this is how much I made today. Like I said to you here, if zero not if 0.1 hot is actually equivalent to 1 UWON, and 1 UWON equals to $1.50. Okay, here's the proof. So I'm going to click on this Hotpad Explorer. So this is where, meanwhile, if you are mining hot, you should be aware that hot also wants to launch a pad called Hotpad, and UWON happens to be the first coin to be launched under this Hotpad. So and they gave all hot miners, not everyone, but because I know not everyone was able to claim, they give majority of hot miners these you want for free. Let me click on open. I partook in it. So you can see right here, they say token sale price 0.1 hot. So the other criteria, maximum per users 65 UWON. That used to be 75, but I think they reduced it. Let me click on explore. So you can see here now, right here now, they said I should claim 10 UWON. 10 UWON. Like I said, I migrated to level 6, so I didn't have enough coin. I only partook with it with only one hot. Only one hot. That's why I partook. So right here, if you are if you got UWON through hot mining, you're also eligible to get Ben Dog airdrop. That's if you hold your coin and not sell. So right now, so if 0.1 hot is equals to 1 UWON, then 1 UWON is equals to $1.50. Then how much is 10? So let me click on claim right now. Claiming. All right. Voila. Yes. UWON is now officially on my wallet. So you can see right here, they say buy UWON. I'm not going to buy because I used to have just 9 referrals, so I wasn't eligible for the 10 referrals. I don't know how I got the other two, but anyway, this is it. So you can go through all this yourself. So, and there are more and more to come benefits just by you mining hot. I said just by you mining hot, there are more benefits to come. So we have seen case boom 1, case boom 2, and this UWON. So what is coming next? And like you can see here, more tokens coming soon. So if you're not mining hot yet, so this is still your golden opportunity, because this project is less than 2 months. What do I mean? Hot got launched on February 1st, 2024. So what's today's date? Today should be 7th. Yeah. Today is 7th. That's a month and 7 days. 1 month and a week. That's when Hot launched. So and they have done such wonders like this. So what are you waiting for? As you can see right here now, I think the prices went down from the last time they made that post. So right now, one yuan is currently valued at $1.29. $1.29. The total yuan is $12.96. So the shocker here is that I actually got this particular amount right now, right here, with just one hot. Repeat again, one hot that I mined. So if you want to know everything about hot, check on my complete hot tutorial. Alright, so I'll be giving you guys more updates. Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel, like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and also join my Telegram group. Alright, I do post legit airdrop there also. Alright, so see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to mine hot, and don't forget to check the complete video if you want to know everything and the truth about hot. Alright, so see you guys.